Today we talk about how can you enable web notifications on your Webull app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on menu down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to next pair. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on message settings. You just click on it here. Then you come to next pair. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on price alerts. Just click on it here. Then you come to next pair. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to push notifications. Click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us. That's main push notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.